So this morning I had a prospective client reach out to me about Sales Hub, and they wanted to pick up the conversation in a month when it just made a little bit more sense for their business. And as I was responding to this, one-off email, I was letting them know that I was going to set a task for myself to follow up. And it just made me think that I want to show people how easy this is. So I'm using the HubSpot Gmail extension. I've written up this email letting the prospect know that I'm going to reach out to him in a month. And using the extension, I'm able to set this task right here. I don't have to go into another system. I can simply click task right here. There's these canned ones if it's 1, 3, or 5 business days out, or I can create a custom follow-up task. So follow about Sales Hub Pro. All right. And I'm going to set this about a month out. You can customize the time and then hit save. So once I have this dot here, that means that I have my task ready. Once I shoot this email over, then he's obviously going to know I'm going to reach out in a month. And then that task is going to be fired up for me when he's ready to pick up the conversation. This is why I love HubSpot. It makes your life as a sales rep so much easier, keeps me focused in one window, and I hope everyone's using this.